Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just kidding. It's November 1st and it's already 3:18. So I'm gonna vlog today. I know I said earlier that I may not vlog, but might as well just vlog because I will be running errands, and later I will be doing a grocery shopping. I think I might go to 3 different stores. I think Walmart, BJ's, and Shoppers. And yeah, so it's 3:18. I am reviewing a Fenty foundation, and I feel like you guys will probably see that first or this vlog. So yeah, this is day 1 of reviewing the Fenty foundation. That's why I'm wearing it right now. Okay, this top that I'm wearing is from Romwe. I got it yeah, I think they were on sale. And don't worry, I will leave it down in the description box below so you guys can check it out. This necklace is from the 3 Greek children on Instagram. Thank you so much, Shayna, for customizing my necklace right here. It's really cute because it's GLENN, which is my name, Glenn. And then yeah, so this is very comfy. It's really cold. It's like 58 degrees and it's like sunny but like cold. So that's why I'm wearing these. I'm also just wearing plain black leggings, and my shoes is the Nike Air Force One. So yeah, and my bag today that I'm using is the Michael Kors crossbody bag. So yeah, I decided I'm just gonna vlog so I have videos for you guys, and so I can test really out this foundation. So anyways, I will be picking up Viola. What is that? I'll be picking up Viola because we are gonna check this thrift store near where we live. And yeah, we're gonna go thrift shopping and also grocery shopping later on. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys later because I'm gonna drive. We're at BJ's. We're like rushing because we still have to go to the thrift store and it's like late. So we just have some water, pork chop, cheese, bread, and what else? Press and seal, and then I'm losing my pen. Tawney.
A few inches later.
I know it's already night, but we are going to the thrift store. We're literally here.
And we're met.
So we're here at the men's section first. Yeah, well, I always go to the men's section first. What you got? Oh my god, that looks so nice, Viola. And it's medium. How much is it? $698.
Like, this in
and
a store, you would have paid.
I know. We found this like for men's, like a blazer. What do you call this? Like business blazer. So we're gonna try it on, and I have these. I'm gonna try it on. I like the print, and this too. Yeah, put it here at the cart. Look at this, you guys. It's from Club Room for $11. This looks nice. We have turtleneck. Oh, this is a black turtleneck. Looks cute. Turtleneck. I bought a turtleneck at Walmart. Yellow. Oh, that looks nice. A fuzzy what? Guys, this reminds me of Chanel. It looks so cute, and it's from Tahari. Look at this. I can't take her anywhere. This is so grandma. 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 Oh, they got set. And they have shoes here too. So it's like all black heels in this side. And this is our cart. Mostly like blazer. You wanna try it on, or you wanna check out the last 2 racks?
No, there's nothing in there.
There's nothing in there. It's so cute. It's not like oversized. You know what I mean? It's like your normal oversized. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's not too big, right?
Oh my god, I like how you tuck it in. It's really good with high-waisted pants. Like you can tuck in you can tuck it in. Like, pose for me. Okay, I like this. I want you to, yeah, you gotta get it. Yes, yes.
There's more like it.
Yes.
Plus, I usually when they are brunettes, I bring them
God.
like this.
Yes, I want to see you with the
Green one.
yeah, with the green one.
And it's okay, but it's big.
It looks like you have a
arms.
like a chubby.
Yeah.
How do you call this? Oh my god! But look, put it back again. It looks cute. Actually, look cute.
Too big though.
It's from Forever 21, you guys. Guys, look what I found. It's like a cream cardigan for $5, and this one medium for $4. I'm gonna try it one. Oh my god! Oh my god! Turn around. Viola, do you do have that thing, right? Just to put like the nipple.
Yeah, I cannot take it off though, because since I pierced my nipples and this is probably not washed.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, you know, after you wash it. That's.
Yeah, I can put like the little thing so you don't see.
Oh my god! Turn around. It looks, and your butt looks so good in it.
But it's like it's very baggy. If it was like this.
I mean, you can ask Shayna to tighten it up for you.
That's true. She could like make this more.
Yeah,
here.
she'll make it work for you. I like the ass part. This one is cute.
Let me see.
This one, I think, I don't know. I think I'm gonna get it, Viola.
Let me see.
It's just the shoulder is very, it has a like pad, but this one is cute. I forgot this is my outfit, you guys. So we're here at TJ Maxx and I found these jeans and they're on sale for like 16 bucks. Come on, focus. Okay, so from $19.99 it's like $20. They're on sale for like 16 bucks. I'm also gonna try, I don't know, I'm like 50-50 for this one, but I kind of like the print, so I'm gonna try that one too. Here it is, guys. I don't know, because I don't know like about the length, but here it is. I don't know. Looks cute though. I wish it's like skinny jeans, but Hi guys, so I'm here at Shoppers and I'm just doing a little bit of groceries, and I already dropped Viola off. I think I'm just gonna get coffee too. I don't know. I normally do get these, but I don't know if I want to get it at BJ's because they're like cheaper. Then here's like $11. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get it at BJ's because I have a coupon too. So yeah, I'm here at Shoppers. I'm getting VA some tomatoes and some salad and carrots and this biscuit. Hi guys, so it's already 10:44 p.m. Oh my god, it's late. So I already dropped Viola off because she's not feeling good, and it's already late as well. So I stopped by here at Shoppers to get more groceries because the reason why BJ's, you know, like I said, they normally sell in bulk, so, and also they're like very pricey when it comes to some of their groceries. So we normally will, I or my husband and I normally shop on 3 different grocery store. So anyways, I got there, I got some tomatoes because they were like on sale for like 2 for $6, and it's so cold. Hold up, it's cold. Hold on. Okay, so I got V8 juice as well, and then for my husband, and I got the cookies for breakfast and like snacks like that. And then I got croutons. I'm just gonna do a whole here, croutons. I got carrots because maybe later I don't want to do a whole, but I got carrots. I got salad. This is the pomegranate from Dole right there, salad. And then this is the bacon and blue, another salad, because they were like 2 for $5. They were on sale. And then I got 2 of this Wild Wonders tomato. These are really good, you guys. So at the V8 as well. And then the one that the shirt, not shirt, but like the blazers. And guys, I got a Coach bag from the thrift store. It's like this like little Coach bag, and I paid $9 and something. It's like almost $10, and I will show it to you guys later on. It's like really cute. It's like a cute Coach bag, and it's like brown color. So yeah, I'm gonna go home now because it's very late and my battery is gonna die soon, and hopefully I can still able to vlog, so I can get like a check for the whatchamacallit, like the foundation check. So anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm finally home, and okay, I'm not gonna show you the one that I got thrifted because it's already I already show you guys like how it looked like on me when I was at the thrift store. But I will show you the bag that I got from there. So this is the Coach bag. They got like two different Coach bags. It's like the same, like, yeah, it's like the same style, but like not really, because like the one is kind of like here, like in line, there's like leather. And I let my friend Viola, you know, I asked her advice like which one is prettier, and she said it's this one, which is actually true, because this is more like whatchamacallit, it's still in good condition, and the other one is like not really. But yeah, this is the Coach bag, and I got it for $9.98. I don't know, I can't really tell like the price, but yeah, it's just, it reminds me of that whatchamacallit, like my Louis Vuitton or something like that. So I don't know if this is, yeah, it reminds me of that Louis Vuitton. It's like very, I don't know, like a very like everyday bag, because I see a lot of this like bags like shaped like this. Like I see like there's one in Prada that I really like too. Which one? The Fendi one too, like this. And let's see the other ones. But yeah, they're like trendy now, like the trendy bags like this. And thank God I saw it at thrift store. Like, you know, who knows, like they have branded styles over there. But yeah, it's still in a good condition, and yeah, it's just really cute. It's like for every day, and it's like color brown, like light nude. And yeah, it's just sold me out, the nude one. So that's what I got from the thrift store. And then the, you know, the brown blazer, and then the white one, like the cream one, and then like the nudish one. So anyway guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because it is 11:22. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's 11:22 p.m. like it's, you can see, I don't know, but it's 11:22 p.m. Yeah, so because I don't want to make this vlog really long, because I've been vlogging like since earlier this morning, and I still have to do a final check on the foundation that I'm reviewing. So yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.